Choose the active voice. In the active voice, the subject performs the action in a sentence. The passive voice switches this around so that the subject has the action done to them. Here's a sentence in the active voice. Anita will carry out the audit this afternoon. Anita is the subject as she's the one linked to the action will carry out. Here's the same sentence in the passive voice. The audit will be carried out by Anita this afternoon. The audit is now the subject as it's linked to the action will be carried out. The audit is having something done to it. Someone will be carrying it out. In the passive voice, you can even get rid of the by so that we don't know who's performing the action. The audit will be carried out this afternoon. Sentences like the last example are common in business writing, probably because removing the doer sounds polite. It lets you avoid telling people to do things, as in, the report must be submitted today, versus you must submit the report today. It also removes blame and responsibility, as in, the process wasn't completed properly, compared with, Brian's team didn't complete the process properly. The problem is that when you remove people from your writing, it becomes less personal, meaning your readers are less likely to relate. It's also more vague, making it harder for someone to use the information you're giving them. With the active voice, you can be direct, polite, and friendly all at the same time. If something sounds rude in the active voice, try rephrasing it rather than defaulting to the passive voice. You didn't do the task to a high enough standard could become, you can improve by double-checking your figures. This is better than the passive, the task wasn't done to a high enough standard. How would you rewrite this sentence in the active voice? Let's say you're writing to the people who should attend. The training session must be attended before the certificate can be achieved. It could say, you must attend the training session to achieve the certificate. Despite all this, there is a place for the passive voice. Use it when the subject isn't as important as the one receiving the action, or when you don't know who or what the subject is. For example, our new sales video was animated by Pink Banana Creative, or the new office will be built next year.